I know how important it is to have clean drinking water, and I bought and tested these under-sink water filters so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've gone through the hassle of installation and usage, and I'm here to share my authentic experiences. Let's dive into the top 5 options that stood out to me. Product number 1, iSpring RCC7AK. When I first set up the iSpring RCC7AK, I was genuinely impressed by how user-friendly it was. The patented top-mounted faucet design made installation a breeze, allowing me to complete the process without needing to crawl under the sink. It's compact yet powerful, with a capacity of 75 gallons per day. I was particularly drawn to its 6-stage filtration system, which includes a mineral boost stage that remineralizes the water for a balanced pH. After installing it, I noticed an immediate difference in my water's taste. It was crisp and refreshing. One feature I loved was the transparent first-stage filter housing that let me easily monitor contaminant buildup. This is crucial because it reminds me when to change the filters, ensuring I always have clean water. The system is NSF NSI 58 certified, which gives me peace of mind knowing that it meets rigorous safety standards. However, it's worth mentioning that the initial investment is on the higher side, and the filters require periodic replacement, which adds to the long-term cost. Still, the ease of installation and the quality of the water are significant advantages. If you want a reliable, high-capacity under-sink water filter, the iSpring RCC7AK is a fantastic option that I wholeheartedly recommend. Product number 2, CUZ Under-Sink Water Filter. The CUZ UC200 was a complete game-changer for me. What struck me first was its impressive 5-year filtration life, which means fewer replacements and less hassle. I was ready for a filter that wouldn't require constant attention. The 3-stage filtration system uses a combination of micro-sediment membranes, KDF55, and coconut shell carbon to improve taste while retaining beneficial minerals. I was a bit skeptical about its ability to handle contaminants like PFAS and lead, but after testing, I found the water quality dramatically improved. The installation was straightforward. It connects directly to the sink with no drilling required. I also appreciated the change filter indicator that keeps me informed. On the downside, it does not reduce TDS, but that's not a deal breaker for me. If you're looking for a cost-effective, low-maintenance filter that provides high-quality drinking water, the CUZ UC200 is a smart choice and offers incredible value for the price. Product number 3, iSpring RCC7. I had high expectations when I tried the iSpring RCC7, and it delivered. This system is NSF/ANSI 58 certified and has a high capacity of 75 gallons per day, making it perfect for a family like mine. The filtration process removes up to 99% of harmful contaminants, including lead and chlorine, which was a significant concern for me. The installation was relatively easy, and the clear manual made it even simpler. I found the transparent filter housing handy for assessing when to change the filters. The taste of the water improved significantly, and I could honestly tell the difference in my coffee and cooking. However, I did find that the system takes up a bit of space under the sink, and you need to keep an eye on the filter replacement schedule. That said, the quality of water you get with the iSpring RCC7 is worth it. If you want a reliable, high-capacity filtration system that prioritizes health and safety, this one is definitely a top contender. Product number 4, Express Water RO5DX. When I tested the Express Water RO5DX, I was pleasantly surprised by its efficiency. This 5-stage filtration system is designed to reduce a wide range of contaminants, including lead and fluoride, and it can purify up to 50 gallons per day. I loved how easy it was to install, no need for professional help, and the design was intuitive. What impressed me most was the leak detection feature. I felt secure knowing that it would automatically shut off if it detected moisture. The taste of the water was superb, making a noticeable difference in my daily hydration and cooking. One downside is that it does take up some space under the sink, and the tank can feel a bit bulky. If you're serious about your water quality and want a system that offers thorough filtration with excellent customer support, the Express Water RO5DX is a solid investment. Product number 5. Pure Plus Under Sink Water Filter. The Pure Plus Under Sink Water Filter caught my eye due to its affordability and impressive capabilities. With a filtration capacity of 22,000 gallons, it's designed to last longer than many competitors. The installation process was a breeze thanks to the Quick Connect design, which significantly shortened my setup time. I was pleased to find it effectively reduces chlorine and heavy metals, significantly improving the taste of my tap water. While it retains beneficial minerals, it doesn't remove TDS, which is something to consider if you're looking for that feature. The price point is exceptionally low compared to its performance, making it a fantastic option for budget-conscious consumers. However, it's important to know that it's only compatible with cold water. If you're looking for an economical yet effective under-sink water filter that delivers good taste and performance, the Pure Plus system is a great choice. Overall, investing in an under-sink water filter is a smart choice for ensuring clean, tasty water at home. Each of these products offers unique benefits tailored to different needs and budgets. I hope this deep dive helps you find the perfect filter for your home.